helping to bring the awareness about the meditation, importance of practicing meditation to people.
Um, it is with Indian masters because it started in India, and it is more with Telugu masters because it started in Telugu states. We think they are not like us. Oh, the very word like Indian and Western, that word should not be there. Because if we think they are different and they are not one of us, we will never be able, we are already creating a block.
Because we are always trying to do differently because they are different. So I think we have to start from very beginning.
And give respect, equal respect, give equal importance.
We are very happy to have you here in Dallas in this weekend. I have one question. So I have been into this meditation from 2019. I've been a pyramid master and helping to bring the awareness about the meditation, importance of practicing meditation to people. So one of the challenge I see is most of our pyramid masters are from Indian origin. As a global masters, do you have any suggestions for us? How do we fill that gap? We see it's challenging for us to take this into the Western masters. So, how do you help us with any advices, any suggestions?
Yes. Thank you, Sushma, for asking this question. Um, it is with Indian masters because it started in India, and it is more with Telugu masters because it started in Telugu states. Um, the key is, and how it, we have to first, I'll go back to the history. It started in Telugu, Andhra at that time, and now, of course, Telangana and Andhra. It went in, how did it go to North Indian masters? Because he, Patriji, he could have been very happily said, oh, you know what? The whole Andhra meditates. There's a pyramid here. Why I need to go to North India? He doesn't know Hindi very well. It is not his first language. But he traveled to North India, coming, the key word is coming out of comfort zone. He came out of his comfort zone. He went there. He went to Gujarat, Bengal, Maharashtra to teach them and mingling with new groups. So, here two things: comfort zone, new groups. So, only then the North India came, and then he traveled to other countries also. So, the key to growth, the key to growth is, first we have to always get out of comfort zone. We always get comfortable in our own zones. When we are comfortable, there is no growth. Growth cannot happen. So we have to make ourselves uncomfortable, and the is to find a new groups. Make friends of people who are not in your interest. Maybe you're a IT person, make friends with doctors, make friends with engineers, or make friends with other community people. Get out of your comfort zone to get into that groups. You may the fear of us, maybe I will be left alone in a group, nobody will talk to me, all those fears will be there. Maybe if I get into a all non-Indian group, maybe my English is not good, maybe I will not be accepted. There's so many internal fears that stop us from getting out of our comfort zone. Why do I have to struggle? I already have struggle at work, at home. Why I need to take another struggle of getting into another group? Because it does take effort to break your routine and do something different. But that is what takes you to the next level, if you truly want. And the other, that those are the 2 points. The other point is, we should stop thinking they are different. We think they are not like us. Oh, the very word like Indian and Western, that word should not be there. Because if we think they are different and they are not one of us, we will never be able, we are already creating a block. They are They are who like us. They have the same emotions, same problems. Everybody has, from every different culture, every different religion, or every different race, country. So when we stop looking at them as different, first it all starts from within. That is what is being projected. If we see, consider them as different people, non-Indians, we are desis, we label ourselves, we project that energy out, and nobody will talk to us. So first we have to come into that oneness consciousness, that we are all one. And you, when you talk, there should not be any difference between me talking to Sushma or me talking to any Lisa. There should not be a difference. She is mine, you are mine. So that if we can bring that sincerity, that genuinity first within us, that is being projected out, then there is no difference between Western or Indian. It is the same, equal. So then we are able to take it to the whole community. So how to get out is first understand them, understand where they are, and don't differentiate that they are non-Indians, they are different, they are this, they are that. If we put all those things, we block ourselves. So first, get out of your comfort zone, take some effort, grow. That is how you grow. Second, make new groups, get into new groups, make yourself. And I know you go to toastmasters and all that. That is such a great thing that you have broken that the norm, and not just the typical group. You have done something different, which takes lot of effort, which takes lot of commitment from your side. And that is what everybody should do, and not just for meditation, for their own growth.
Thank you for throwing us that light, right? It's a very interesting way you have put, like, do not differentiate between Indians and Western. So, first we have to be in the oneness, and then I think that will come out of us because we are always trying to do differently because they are different. So, I think we have to start from very beginning. Thank
Yeah,
you.
absolutely. We see at work also. An Indian would behave differently with an Indian, an Indian with a non Indian will behave differently. Because in his mind, he already has the differentiation. He can never be the same himself. If you cannot be yourself with others, how can you make friendship? How can that connection even happen when you are not yourself? When you are putting a mask? So we need to take out the mask and clear that blocks that we create, and say, no, I am myself, whether it is with my friend or with you. I am myself. And give respect, equal respect, give equal importance. So I love this question, by the way.
I love the answer. Thank you for it. It was very interesting way you have put it and very easier way you put it. Great the break the comfort zone, meet the new groups, and do not differentiate between any people.
Yes.
Wow, you put it in very simple and lovely way. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you.